Mindfulness. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the past or worry about the future. But focusing on the present can help us reduce stress, improve our mental health, and enjoy life more. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment. It involves paying attention to your thoughts, feelings, and surroundings. You can practice mindfulness through meditation, deep breathing, or simply by focusing on your senses. Disconnect from technology. This is a big one. We're all guilty of spending too much time on our phones and computers, like Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok, the list goes on. This distracts us from the present moment. Try taking a break from technology for a few hours each day and focus on the people and activities around you, or simply just focus on the moment. Engage in activities. Whether it's reading a book, going for a walk, or spending time with friends, doing these can help you stay present and focused on the moment. Gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This can help you appreciate the present moment and focus on the positive things in your life. Let go of the past and future. While it's important to learn from the past and plan for the future, dwelling on them can prevent us from enjoying the present moment. Try to focus on what you can control in the present moment and let go of things you can't control. So those are some very simple ways to live in the present moment, which can reduce stress, improve our mental health, and help us enjoy life more. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any other personal tips for living in the present moment, share them in the comments below.